Look how many leaves there are. So deep. Yeah. Hi. I just don't really have any time to cook today, so lunch is a delivery. Let's see what we got. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's so wet. It's raining out there. Nice boxes, but the bag is all falling apart. It's so wet. What's this? Recycle. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. Looks promising. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that's tuna. Smells good. I'm also starving. We had a really small breakfast. And then I've been on calls all day. And this is yield. Okay, so we're all gonna share it. And then I have 30 minutes, no, at this point 20 minutes till my next call. Oh, there are more chopsticks in each box. Okay, I get it. I get it. Soy sauce in the bottle. Hi, baby. Of course, if I'm having lunch, you have lunch too, right? It's only fair. Sit. Okay. Yeah, Wendy and I were just looking at acceptances as well, and we're going to actually email and tell them that they can now do it themselves, like send reminders from the dashboard. Frying from cutting the onion. what a good boy. What a lucky boy. I know. It's already so dark today. It's been raining all day and it's Monday. We just got back last night. I still have to unpack all of this and I had to work all day, order groceries, do all kinds of other stuff. So I'm way behind on my advent calendar, but I think we're gonna do it tomorrow morning. We'll continue tomorrow morning. We'll pick up where we left. From where we left? We did the first row, we did 5 days, so we'll start day 6 tomorrow. Because it's nicer to do it in the morning, right? I have quite a few days to open, but maybe I'll just do one by one and that way they will last longer. We'll see. It was so strange being somewhere tropical right before Christmas because they have decorations everywhere, pastries at this snack shop that they have at the hotel. Everything is decorated for Christmas. There are Christmas trees everywhere, lights. There were people in Santa hats in the park. And it's just all very confusing because it's hot and sunny and you're on the beach. I've never done that before in December. And it was pretty wild. And now that we're back here, it also doesn't feel like Christmas because it's raining and it's pretty warm outside overall. It's just dark. So it feels like sometime in the fall and winter, but not necessarily Christmas. We should go see the Christmas houses decorated in the neighborhood and then maybe go down to see the main tree again, although we do it every year and it's always so crowded. I don't know if it's worth it. We'll see. And yeah, we need to figure out now where the books go.
Yeah.
Wait, did you want to play your music too? Music. Oh wait, I didn't show you the music we got. No, we got Ben got for his birthday. There we go. This was great. I got him for traveling and it really saved me on the plane because I don't need to bring a coat. I just wore this. And then when we were leaving in New York and when we arrived back, I didn't need a coat, I just wore this. I know, the bag painted it.
Oh. But it's weird, like you can't see it if it's not together.
Yeah. Yeah, the red bag. It's small and it's smiling and it's hatching from this egg. It's very cute. And Kojik thought it was for him, but it's not. One thing, I almost forgot. We brought this for our tree. See, it has the turtles. Ah. Let's put it on. It's the last part of unpacking today. Should we go? Go here. Look at it and remember how we swim with turtles.